In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Epson XP-7100 in case you're having issues with it. The first thing you need to do in case, no matter what problem you're having, is to go on the back and disconnect the power cable, okay? Pull it out even if the printer is turned on. Wait 5 minutes and then plug it back, turn it on, and this will solve 90% of the issues. Now, if you're still having problems, what I suggest to you, alright, is to do a reset. This printer is able to do a factory reset, obviously, to delete everything, but you will also be able to delete only the Wi-Fi settings. So you can do a reset of the internet feature if this was the problem. Let me show you how this is done on this control panel. So if we go on the display over here, what we need to do is to swipe towards the right side until we select settings. Then we need to go down and you're going to have restore default settings. Click on this. And now you have the network settings, which again will reset only the Wi-Fi if this was the issue, or you have all settings, which will delete absolutely everything and the printer will be like brand new. So press yes, it will take about a minute. The printer will shut down, will power on again, and this is about it. It will be factory resetted. Leave a comment down below if my tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.